సైమల్టేనియస్ వస్తలే, ఫ్లో వస్తలేవు, అప్పుడప్పుడు వస్తున్నాయి కాల్స్.
Yeah, actually, we discussed
ఓకే,
yesterday
ఆన్ సెల్ ఎడిట్.
class uh, in that client scripts. So, in that client scripts are client side which are used to manage forms and fields. So, in that we can make the fields are hidden, are visible, and read only and writable. So we can make the fields are optional or read only based on the user roles. Set the values in one field. Based on the other fields, we can modify the options of choice list based on the user roles. So in the client script side, there are four types of client scripts is there. So on change, on load, on submit, on sell edit. So we discussed about on submit at the time of submitting the form. So the on submitting is working. On change means when we change the value in one field based on the other field, values will populate. So on load as well as we discussed at the time of loading the form, we can populate the values. And in that previous session, we didn't completed on-cell edit, so we discussed initially for this. So on-cell edit means it will used in the list view at the time of changing some values in the list view. So here, yeah, here we already created when the form is listing previously on-cell edit. So I want to perform on the country field. So I make it as active. So this is the example for answer edit client scripts, right? So I want to update it. Go to that. Finance management. So here list of operations is there. When we are doing on country fields, so we need to do operations. So in the list view side only, we need to do that particular ancillary operations. So we configured country. So for that, when we are changing any names, see here, this is example for on-cell edit client script. Is this working or not? Working. So we discussed, see here, whichever client
Yes.
scripts, yeah, unload client script is working. When the vendor is called, on-change client scripts also working. And vendor color should be back and then submit it. On submit also working, right? Click on OK. When we are going to here, so I want to test and answer it also. UAE. Click on save answer it also work. So and so we discussed about how client scripts are will work. How many client scripts we have? Four types is there: on change, on load, on sell edit, on submit. So and we are going to discuss different functionality of client script. What are the client side methods we have? The different functionalities means like different use cases in the client script side with the help of client side methods. So we need to use for that glide form. So in the development side also we can use for that glide form. See here. So what is the glide form? The glide form API provides methods to customize forms. Only use glide form methods on the client side. You can use these methods to make custom changes to that form view records. All validation of examples was done using client scripts. So like here mentioned node is there. So get control, get help, text control, get element, and get form element are deprecated for mobile devices. So you can use for that glide form for mobile. So see for that. So in that here there is no constructor in the glide form class. So access for that glide form methods using g underscore form global object. So I already so in the different use cases in the client script side, we can use the help of the client side methods we are discussing today. So I want to doing the operations in the client script side at the time of loading the form. I want to add one action in the source field, right? So here what you want to do, add option. Yeah, here add option is there. So add options in that field name, choice value and choice label. So this is the need to copy. So how it is work, we'll check. So before that, I want to do what? In that source field side, we need to add one option. Here phone, in-person, chat, email is there. So same like that, I need to add one more field based on that client script using onload. Okay. Yeah, here I need to do that unload show message when that form is loading in that what is that g underscore form add option. So what is that source field name backend name u underscore source u underscore source. I need to add here some outbox.
What is the sixth number?
Save it. See, I'll tell you. See here, outbox is came, right?
Hmm.
We added at the time of loading the form, we added one option called outbox. So how it is added? Using unload client script, using with that glide form. So add option method through that, and the source field side we added outbox field. Again, we'll check once. Click on save. See here. Yeah. It's working, right? And again, we need to do the operation of remove option as well as. So we need to here how we added, and we need to do remove option. Remove option. So remove the specified option from one specified choice list. Again, in the same operations need to do here. What is that backend name? U underscore source. What I want to remove? Outbox. Save. We are going to there. Reload the form. Check here. No. Outbox is gone. So the remove option is also working fine. Same need to do and that add decoration. So add decoration means adds an icon and a fields label. Adding the same item twice is prevented. However, you can add the same icon with a different title. So here field names we need to add icon, which icons? Alerts, books, book open, calendar, cards, catalogs, cog, comment, console, dashboards. These are the icons. Edit, image, those all are. So we need to take this, add decoration, and which field we need to do? I want to do operation on the vendor. Vendor side, I want to do operation. So here vendor is there and this going to the client scripts. Client scripts. I need to do operation here on the field name called vendor. Need to add decoration. That what is that backend name? U underscore vendor. U underscore vendor. So see how it is working. Reload the form. See here. Yeah, see. Icon is came now.
Yes.
So it's working fine. So again, I want to add another icon and save it. And reload the form. See here, book icon also is came, right? And again, remove decoration. So whichever icons we added, we need to remove that particular specified field that match specified icons. So basically, we'll ask in that interview questions as well as how you will add for that decoration, how you will remove that particular decoration on the particular field side. So I want to remove that decoration fields, which fields on the vendor side. So here, this is the name I need to add. And then blue. Save it. Go to the farm and reload the farm. Why it is commented, right? Save it. Don't worry, we write on that. On change. Update it. Reload the farm. Yeah, she came. So again, I need to write remove decoration on vendor field. Click on click all. So we'll keep it as unload. We'll check. We'll check it is working or not initially. Otherwise, we'll change. Reload the form. So it's not working. So we need to change this as on change. Field name, vendor, reload it. Delete it and we'll create another unchange form. Remove decoration on vendor field. Click on all and change. Save the form. Reload the form. And it is not removing. Check. Yeah, here we didn't add any field name. So update it. You can check. Okay. Now we'll go to there and reload the form. It is coming. New. Don't know why it is not working. That will work where. And script. What is that? Icon star. Okay. So we need to remove this. We'll check. Save it. Reload the form. No. Client scripts. The format changing. Open. Need to check. It's working with that. This is the issue. Vendor field, vendor field, vendor. And update it. When we are using remove option, remove decoration. We- Change. Update. Click on new. It is not removing. Leave. I'll check icon book analysis first. Preferred member, update it. Don't know why that. What is the icon name? Decoration. Icon star preferred member. Icon book. Right. So Control Alt Shift J. So we'll do that later. So before that, I need to show the field message. Show field. Show field message. Show field message there. Yeah, we need to copy this. Go to there and where I want to do for that on the vendor field. So vendor, run my code. So this is for testing purpose I'm doing in that. The browser side, reload the form. Yeah. Control Alt Shift J. What happened? G underscore form dot show field message U underscore vendor low impact response. Yeah, see here, it's came na.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is that we are testing. Then later, then based on that fields only we need to do with that. So again, same like that. I need to do for that error. Show error box. So, so this is as display size and error message. Under that, which specified form field. So I want to display on that particular vendor side. So so this is the method. Show error box. Need to check here. Need to add. Run my code. See here. Came na?
Hmm.
Red color. Low impact response.
Hmm. Hmm.
So this is the,
इसका blue color also coming now.
and again we need to check where remove. Don't know how it is not working. We'll check. Did it? New. New. Underscore vendor. Okay, we'll discuss on that next class. For this, I will tell you on that how remove decorations and all, and next couple of requirements is pending is there in that we need to do for that performance,
Okay.
perform on that operations. So here need to do that show error message to that vendor fields when the state is work in progress. Work in progress, we need to show that error message, and same when you select vendor color, it should populate the first name of vendor. Okay,
Hmm.
we'll discuss in that next class for this. Okay.
Okay.
Yep.